Good morning. It is a beautiful morning down here on the beach. I have not long since got up. It's really, really gorgeous down here. And it sort of looks like it wants to rain. So I guess I better film this pretty quickly. It has been a while since I have made a video for you, and I am really sorry about that. I don't really have an excuse, but life just got really hectic, and I just felt like I couldn't make a good video for you. And instead of making perhaps a simple video like this, I just thought I'll wait until I have time and then I'll make a good video for you. And then a week and a half ago, we had a terrible, disgusting terrorist attack in Sydney. And I just felt so horrible with it, knowing that it was targeted at Jewish people, knowing that it was a deliberate attempt to kill Jews when they were just celebrating a festival that they always celebrate. And there aren't really any words to properly describe how I was feeling, how other people were feeling. So I don't think I can. It was just horrible. I'm not sure what else to say about that other than something like that should not happen in Australia. It was incredibly un-Australian. And not only that, the lead up to it was un-Australian. I'm going to go sit up here on the beach, talk to you for a little bit. There are some people on the beach, and I suppose, oh, here's a good place to sit. And I suppose I'm out of practice when it comes to talking to you. Here's the Aussie bush behind me. Gorgeous sunrise. Did I say sunrise? So sometimes when I look at the sunrise, I will automatically say sunset, and it doesn't make any sense. I can feel it's just trying to rain at the moment, but I'll just carry on chatting to you for a moment. Anyway, what is there to say other than I love this country? It is the most, I'm biased, but it is the most beautiful, amazing place to be. The nature is beautiful. The culture for so many years has been idyllic. Idyllic because it didn't matter where you came from, it didn't matter who you were. You could live here and enjoy being here with others who are different to you. And everyone could get along. And even if we disagreed, we could still get along. And I suppose for me that's really important, that we carry on as this amazing, amazing nation that we are, and that we stick together, we look out for each other, and we call out nonsense when we see it. I think that's one of the things that's missing. When I was growing up in Australia, people would call out people that were doing the wrong thing. People would get quite upset with others if they didn't follow what seemed to be quite sensible rules and laws. Anyway, let's focus on what good we can do in the world, and also keep busy. I know I need to keep busy, and I need to make some videos for you. I just need to be creative so that I'm not overthinking, and yeah. So it's the start of my school holidays. It's actually Christmas Eve. The camera is getting a bit heavy in my hand. It's Christmas Eve today. So it's the 24th of December. And so tomorrow is Christmas. And I'm really looking forward to having this chunk of time where I'm on school holidays. I don't have work, and so I can make some videos for you. I've been looking forward to this for ages. So anyway, here I am down on the beach. It's beautiful. I didn't actually see the sun come up because by the time I came down to the beach, the sun was behind the cloud. But it really is quite a beautiful morning. But it always is down on the beach. It's lovely. Oh, is that someone's thong? Not a thong. It's like a flippy floppy thing. I didn't even notice. People do that. If they find someone's shoe down on the beach, they'll put it somewhere so that people can find it. But it also looks like they've created it into a sculpture. They've added it to the sculpture. Anyway, I don't know what else to tell you this morning. I just wanted to come and have a chat with you, say hello, because I haven't in ages. Here's one more thing I will tell you. I have created a community for us. If you would like to be able to chat to me and be inside a closed group, I have a Skool community. I'll put the link down below. So if that's something that you would be interested in, this community here on YouTube is a free community. You don't have to pay for this. You can just watch some ads from time to time. But the Skool community will be, I think it'll be paid. Maybe there'll be a free version. I'm not sure. But it is a place that you can come and we can talk about Aussie culture. We can talk about Aussie life. And yes, Aussie English as well. So if you want to improve your Aussie English, the Skool community that I've started, it is for people who are new to Australia, who are hoping to become Australian citizens, which is an amazing thing if you can become an Australian citizen. Because like I said, I'm completely biased and I think this is the best place in the world to be. And I want to keep it that way. We all have to work on keeping it that way. Anyway, I'm going to give you a close-up of this amazing sculpture and then I will talk to you again soon. Sorry that it's taken me so long. but we're back now, so that's good. All right, let's have a quick look at this sculpture, and then here you go. Look at that. Have you seen anything more amazing today? I'm not sure that you have. People like to come down to the beach and put all the sticks together in a sculpture. So that's that. Anyway, that's it from me on the beach this morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you do celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a lovely time, whoever you're with. And if you're by yourself, I hope you have a lovely time as well. It's an interesting time of year. Some people are getting together with lots and lots of family. Some people are not able to get together with lots of family. So whatever you're doing, I hope you have a lovely time. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, let me know what you're doing in this amazing world that we're living in. There are some seagulls about to fly past. They're so beautiful. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.